ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಜೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 6.2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಮತ್ತು 8 ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ 6.1 ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ 2.1 is there. Okay, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. This is the question. Okay, I will draw a figure of this question. Okay, using theorem 6.1 or 2.1, it means you can use here Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, that is in Kannada we will call it as Moola Samanupatateya Prameya. Okay, so prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle, you can consider this is one triangle. In this triangle you can take this is the one side of triangle. Okay, in this triangle you can consider this is one side of triangle. So here midpoint of one side of triangle, you can consider D is midpoint of this triangle. Okay, D is midpoint of this side you can consider. Okay, midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side. Okay, you can draw here parallel to another side, you can call D is parallel to BC. Okay, another side bisect the third side. If you drawn here D is parallel to BC, then E is bisecting AC. We have to prove here E bisect AC. Okay, E bisect AC means AE equal to EC. E bisect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ AE equal to EC ಅಂತ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ D is midpoint ಅಂದರೆ AD equal to BD ಅಂದಂಗೆ. D midpoint ಅದಂದರೆ AD ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ BD ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, after that you can write here given. First you can write given. What is given here? Given in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB. Okay, if D is midpoint of AB, then we can write AD equal to BD. D midpoint ಅದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ AD equal to BD ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? D is parallel to BC also given. DE is parallel to BC, this also given, right? So next you can write here to prove. What we have to prove here? We have to prove E is midpoint of AC, that is E is midpoint of AC. E is midpoint of AC means AE equal to EC. What we have to prove? AE equal to EC, correct? So next I will write here proof. Okay, so already given, what is that? In triangle ABC D is parallel to BC, this is given, correct? In triangle ABC DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, then we can use here Thales theorem or 6.1 theorem or 2.1 theorem or BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, in this triangle DE is parallel to BC, then we can say AD by BD equal to, then we can say AD by BD which equals to AD by BD equal to AE by EC, AE divided by EC. Okay, see here already we know that is AD equal to BD. So AD means, can I write here BD? AD means, can I write BD? So in this equation you can call this is equation 1. Okay, why these two are equal means you can write here by BPT. Okay, so AD means, can I write BD? Yes, you can write BD divided by BD which equals to AE divided by EC, correct? So BD get cancelled, we will get here 1. Okay, that is 1 equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, so next you can bring this EC this side, then this becomes EC equal to AE. EC equal to AE. If EC equal to AE, then we can say E is midpoint. Okay, so that is this one. If EC equal to AE, then we can say E is midpoint. Okay, so you can write here therefore E is midpoint, you can write E is midpoint. Okay, so I hope you understand. Next I will go to 8. So, next question number 8. Question is using theorem 6.2, that is in state syllabus 2.2 is there. Okay. Using theorem 2.2 or 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of triangle is parallel to third side. We have to prove here. Okay. So, I will draw here figure. You can call this is triangle. Okay. A B C. ABC is triangle. Okay. So, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of triangle. You can take here any two side. I will take here one side AB and one side AC. Okay. Its midpoint you can take here, right? These are midpoint. Because prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of triangle. So, these two are the midpoints. I will join here these two. Okay. Midpoints of any two sides of triangle is parallel to third side. We have to prove here DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove this one. Okay. So, you can write here solution. So, here theorem 6.2 or 2.2 means this is converse of BPT. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥೆರಮ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೆವು. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಮೂಲ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತತೆ ವಿಲೋಮ ಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೆವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ A B C, in triangle ABC, D and E are midpoints of D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. You can write, okay, respectively, right? If D is midpoint of AB means then we can write AD equal to BD, correct? And if E is midpoint of AC, then you can write AE equal to EC. Okay, correct? So next you can write here to prove. What we have to prove here? After that, what we have to prove? We have to prove DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC means then AD by BD equal to AE by EC. When we will say DE is parallel to BC, when we will say DE is parallel to BC means when AD by BD which equals to AE by EC, then we will say DE is parallel to BC because this is converse of BPT. Okay. So, next you can write here proof. Okay. In this proof you can take here AD equal to BD, correct? Into 1 you can write AD equal to BD into 1 we can write. You can bring this BD this side, then this becomes AD by BD equal to 1, correct? AD by BD equal to 1. Next you can take here AE equal to EC, into 1 you can write. Into 1 you can write AE equal to EC, you can bring this side, then this becomes AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC equal to 1, correct? So, AE by EC equal to 1 and AD by BD equal to 1. So, 1 means AE by EC is there. So, 1 means can I write this 1 means can I write AE by EC? Yes, I will write here. So, AD by BD which equals to 1 is there. 1 means can I write AE by EC? Yes, I can. AD by EC, because you can call this is 1 and you can call this is equation 2. Okay. So, you can write here from 2 you can write. Okay, from 2 you can write. If AD by BD equal to AE by EC, then we can say DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So, I will write here if AD by BD equal to AD by BD which equals to AE by EC, then DE is parallel to BC because converse of BPT you can write. Okay. So, dear students and friends, I hope you understand. These all are confusion problems. Okay. One time you can watch it carefully ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸಿ ಟಿ ಇ ಟಿ, ಟಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ 6 to 8 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ತಿಳಿಯಲಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.